Welcome back to how to make SleepyTinis. Special SleepyTini today, we're going to be using blueberries and kiwi to make a Blueberry Kiwi Nightcap. How about that? So we start off with our muddling glass, as we often do. We take some fresh, organic blueberries. We add those to the mix. I want about a half a cup of those. They always try to escape. You gotta be careful with blueberries or you'll find them all over your floor. Okay, so we've got the blueberries. We have kiwi, the wonder fruit. It's just beautiful inside. Normally I would, peel the kiwi because you don't want to eat the kiwi rind. But in this case, since we're gonna muddle it, doesn't really matter. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna cut it into some pieces so that it's easier to muddle. But I have to tell you, it's tempting to just eat the kiwi on its own. It sort of, kind of tastes like banana in a slight way. You may not agree with me, but that's kind of what it feels like to me. So anyways, let's cut this up. Add this. Add this. And a little bit of agave syrup. Just a hint. Just a little bit of sweetness. And then, of course, our chamomile tea. Add that in. And our muddler. Start muddling here. Ooh. Wow. If you had a plastic cup and you wanted to do this as a fun project with your kids, they could probably be pretty good muddlers. It's sort of a nice sensation of mushing through the blueberries and the kiwi. And all these drinks are obviously safe for kids because we don't use any alcohol, we don't add any unnecessary sugars, we don't put caffeine in them. Actually, not only would it help you fall asleep, but it can help your kids fall asleep. So it's a great family type of experience because it's healthy and it's helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and get our martini shaker here. Because this has a lot of pulp and stuff in it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use our strainer to strain a lot of that out, or it can get a little bit too thick in the mixer, in the shaker. Just give this an opportunity to go through. You can see how really thick this is. It's like a pudding almost, really, really thick. So we want the juice out of this. We're not so interested in the pulp, although there's absolutely nothing wrong with eating the pulp. It's blueberry and kiwi, probably delicious. So let's toss that and let's put some more in. Make sure we get all the juice out of here so that we have a nice full shaker for our martini, or in this case, SleepyTini, right? Okay. And ice. Cover it. And shake. All right, there we go. Ooh, look at that coloring. Perfect amount. And I tricked you, I saved one of these so that I could dress it up. Look at that. Blueberry Kiwi Nightcap. Very subtle flavor because blueberries don't have a strong scent. Kiwis don't have a strong scent. But the flavor is absolutely, it's a strong kiwi. You get the blueberry. Get a little bit of that sweetness from the agave. But the kiwi, like I said, it's sort of banana-y. You really have to try it yourself. It's a wonderful fruit. Wow. All right, well, there you go. There is your Blueberry Kiwi Nightcap. We'll see you for the next video.